Healthcare is entering one of its biggest transformations in decades. Artificial intelligence is no longer an experiment. It's already helping doctors diagnose diseases, reduce paperwork, and improve patient care around the world. One of the latest breakthroughs comes from Hartford Healthcare, where an AI assistant called Patient GPT helps patients understand lab results, summarize doctor visits, and answer questions using their own medical records, while securely integrating with hospital systems. The goal isn't replacing doctors, it's helping patients stay informed between appointments. Another major development is AI that stays connected after patients leave the clinic. UpDoc recently received FDA clearance for technology that can monitor diabetes patients between visits, communicate with them, and even adjust insulin doses within physician-approved limits. Doctors remain in control, while AI helps bridge the gap between appointments. Researchers are also using AI to predict diseases before symptoms appear. A new AI model developed by scientists at Oxford can identify patients at high risk of heart failure up to 5 years in advance by analyzing subtle patterns invisible to the human eye. Earlier detection could mean earlier treatment and better outcomes. AI isn't replacing healthcare professionals. It's becoming another tool, helping clinicians make faster decisions, reducing administrative work, and giving patients better access to information. The future of healthcare is increasingly a partnership between human expertise and intelligent technology.